Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss on one more error which normally we find in Spring MVC nowadays. That one is these Dispatcher Servlets issue. Due to that, the 404 error is appearing. So how to fix it? That is what we will be learning in this video. Okay, so let me go to the code and I'll show you which code. It's a simple code which runs the server. Okay, so here if I run this code on server, okay, let me run the server on server and say finish. So when I run this code, you see the URL which I have planned is home, but the 404 error is coming. Now how to solve this error? Let us see the code also. The servlet, the dispatcher servlet configurations is here, and this is the dispatcher servlet name which should appear in the command prompt while running the application, which is, if I try to find, I don't find here. So similar way, view resolver is also available, planned, executed here, and here is the controller which are using. So which setting will help me to do this? So I'll go to the properties, right click on the project and properties. You need to go to development assembly. You need to say add, and you need to add jar Maven dependencies and say apply and close. You see few changes will happen in the server, and here my dispatcher servlet is started. The same name is given in the dispatcher servlet configurations, this file, okay, for my application. So this one. Now let us go and run the same URL. So you will see it is started. The hello is printed. That is what I have written in a JSP page. So hello. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you so much. I stop my video here.